What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. You guys know what happened. Shibaswap officially dropped, and my goodness, we were live and things were just going insane. So shout out to every single new subscriber, everybody that smashed that like button. If you haven't already for this video, please do so, and let's go ahead and get started. So the Shiba Inu price action really kind of not what we were expecting. We thought we were going to continue to see this thing run up, which it did. It really did get over that 900 Satoshi unit resistance point to 922. But people made a realization pretty quickly early on that the biggest bang for our buck might actually be Bone. So a lot of people were transferring their wealth from Leash and Shiba Inu to Bone. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you click that Use Shibaswap button, because guess what? Once you click it, you're going to be redirected to the official Shibaswap website and platform. And my goodness, guys, what a phenomenal day. It's already just getting started. Bone, when we first started the stream earlier this morning, as soon as the swap dropped, it was right around $18 or $19. We bought some thinking that, hey, it might double up. It's up almost 400% in literally a few hours. So again, understanding that the sell-off that we're seeing in Leash and SHIB is directly the implication of the fact that people are looking to get into Bone, because it's a brand new token that is just entering circulation, and we're seeing some magnificent gains in it. But be extremely cautious and careful, because it has the most potential to also pull back because it's skyrocketed. You guys know I always say things tend to cool down after some point, but regardless, it's looking really, really good right now. So before I continue on, of course, guys, for all the new subscribers and everybody, I want to give you the opportunity to get your 2 free stocks with Webull. If you want to support the channel or the cause, for me as somebody who talks always so positively about Shiba Inu and the SHIB token itself and the Shiba Inu community, I do want to mention that if you click the link in the description, you get 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account. When you deposit $5, of course, I get a free stock too. So it does support me and support my journey, and it supports your pocket. And also, Webull right now is looking to potentially list Shiba Inu. So let's go ahead and show them the power of the SHIB Army. Click the link in the description, sign up for Webull, and also deposit that $5. You have the chance to get $2,300 in return, as your 2 free stocks could be, one could be Google stock, and the other could be something along the lines of Snap, Kraft Heinz, and some other big cryptocurrencies. So without further ado, let's look at the price action. So again, right now Shiba Inu is still in the green. Looking a SHIB token is at 877 Satoshi units, and Leash at the time of the making down 17.5%. So a lot of people pulled out of their Leash positions and are getting into Bone. And I showed you guys earlier, $74.51 per Bone token, which is insane. If we look at the Ether scan, you guys can see a lot of people are buying so much Bone. If you haven't seen it already, you can literally see 3.42 Ether's worth. You could just see 3.71 Ethereum's worth. A lot. So that's the Ethereum price, and you guys could see, it's crazy. From the Ethereum blockchain itself, what we're seeing right now for Bone is, again, kind of what I anticipated, but not to this extent. I did not think we're going to see it go up 300-400% on the day that it gets, on the day the Shibaswap gets released. The total volume, as you guys can see, 102.33 million. I don't know, man. This has been insane, in my opinion. Really looking at the price action for Shiba Inu, and people were asking, what are entry points, Pop? What are you doing? For me, guys, right now, I staked. So you guys saw that I buried. I'm going to show you guys right now. If you click stake tokens, you guys can see I have a decent amount that's currently buried, and I'm just waiting to see what kind of returns we're going to see, and the rewards, of course, because I'm looking to get some of the Bone rewards that we're going to see from the staking, and also from the liquidity pool. Again, just some loading type thing. So it says no liquidity found here, but I did put some in. It just looks like there's a little bit of a slight delay on some things. So that's the big thing that people are noticing, is a little bit of delays in terms of their burying or digging, which is totally fine, and understand that this comes with the fact that the bandwidth is being overwhelmed right now. So for all of those who are looking to, potentially get in, I would say today's going to be a very volatile day. We saw SHIB token pull back to 869 Satoshi units. And again, we're kind of just trying to figure out where we're going to settle, right? In my opinion, we can easily start testing that 1,000 Satoshi unit mark. People are going to take their gains out of Bone, and we're going to see people come right back to what? SHIB token. So right now that a new cryptocurrency being Bone is introduced to the ecosystem, of course, that is the one that's going to have the most excitement around it and the majority of people getting in on that one specifically. So that's why we're seeing a big rotation right now from Leash and Shiba Inu token to Bone. So make sure you guys understand that if you're wondering why there's a sell-off, and of course some price manipulation is in there. People who have large position sizes are selling off and are trying to get in at a better price point because they are increasing the selling pressure. So I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to test a little bit, maybe lower levels for Shiba Inu token. And the reason is that right now the big focus is increasing the Bone position. That's what people are trying to do, because it really does have, since it's the newest introduction or the newest member of the family, it's going to be shown the most love. That's very common, guys. Very, very common when it comes to any new currency. But again, with that being said, the fact that it's going up so high so quick also means that it could pull back really at any moment, and then that would be a better entry point in my opinion than just chasing like a crash test dummy without any reason, going head on to the wall. Instead, I say wait for it to cool down and then get in. But again, we don't know what's going to happen in the future, so I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, but I'm telling you guys what I'm doing. I bought in at $20 per Bone token, and right now it is at 63. See, it was just at 75. So you guys can see volatility. It went up, literally dropped $12, and now it's back up another dollar. Lots of volatility, family. So if you're not able to stomach that or be patient, I would say just for now, maybe just watch where it goes before you do anything, because volatility is true and it's real. So now all three tokens are officially on the ecosystem. Guys, we came full circle, and I'm going to digress for a second and just say, for all the SHIBARMY members that have been patient, for those of you who have been prevailing, those of you who have been pouncing, buying the dip as we saw the dip come multiple times all the way back down to 560 Satoshi units, I want to congratulate and salute every single one of you. So big salute to the SHIBARMY, for the supporters of the channel, the supporters of this movement, Shaitoshi, Kusama, and the team, the developers who came together and really worked tirelessly to make this thing happen. Big shout out to every single one of them. And you guys, the SHIBARMY members, we're the ones who have been spreading it. This is a community-driven cryptocurrency, and we've been doing our part by spreading the word about Shiba Inu and the potential that it has in the short and long-term future. So big, big, big shout out to every single one of you. We'll see what happens, guys. Again, I could really see us test all-time highs by the end of the month, but slowly but surely. Again, right now, a lot of people are switching over to Bone. Understand that they're selling their positions in the other two because they're seeing the amount of gains. But, you know, with time, give it some time. The hype is going to slowly but surely start to calm down when it comes to the Bone token itself. We're going to see more people just burying and staking, and we'll go from there. So patience is key and knowledge is power. You guys know that's my favorite saying, and the market is a transfer machine. It's a wealth transfer, basically from those who are impatient to those who are patient, as Warren Buffett says. My favorite saying. So thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Shout out to the SHIBARMY. Congratulations to all of us who were able to be patient and stomach the volatility, because now hopefully our gains are coming. And my goodness, am I super excited to see what happens. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. I'll see you guys after work. About to get ready here. So until next time then, keep investing.